Crassula-portulaca. Hello friends. In this video, we're going to talk about the plant Crassula-portulaca, also known as the silver crassula. It's one of the beautiful and hardy succulent plants. With its silvery green leaves and easy care requirements, Crassula-portulaca has become a popular choice for apartments and indoor spaces. The Crassula ovata plant, scientifically known as Crassula ovata and belonging to the Crassulaceae family, is one of the world's most popular plants and is also known by names like jade plant, money tree, and ovata. This plant, with over 150 species, is native to South Africa but is now widely grown as a houseplant in most parts of the world. Crassula is a succulent plant with thick, glossy, jade green leaves that store water in its tissues. Caring for and propagating Crassula ovata is quite easy. Additionally, it can be pruned and shaped as a bonsai, enhancing its beauty even further. Care conditions for Crassula-portulaca. Lighting. Crassula-portulaca loves sunlight and requires 8 to 10 hours of sunlight daily. Its strong preference for light means it can be placed outdoors or in direct sunlight during spring and summer. However, avoid exposing it to intense midday sun in the summer, as this can cause leaf burn. Note that if Crassula-portulaca does not receive enough light, it may grow leggy and its leaves may drop. Watering. This plant is drought tolerant and should only be watered once the soil is dry between waterings. Overwatering can cause yellowing and dropping of leaves, and roots may rot, leading to a soft, mushy stem. Water sparingly during autumn and winter when the plant is dormant, just enough to prevent it from drying out. Temperature. Crassula-portulaca can tolerate high temperatures, though this may slow or halt its growth. The ideal temperature range for this plant is 15 to 25 degc 59-77 def. In winter, it can tolerate temperatures down to 10 degc 50 def, but anything lower may result in frost damage or plant death. This plant thrives in warm climates and performs best in those conditions. Fertilizing. For optimal growth, provide adequate nutrients. During spring and summer, feed the plant monthly with an NPK fertilizer and every 2 months with an iron supplement. In cooler months, apply a general-purpose fertilizer every 2 months. If using chemical fertilizers, use half the manufacturer's recommended dose to prevent potential damage to the plant. Soil. Crassula-portulaca does well in nutrient-rich soil but is particularly suited to well-draining mixes. The ideal soil mix includes 50% peat moss, 30% expanded clay leca, and 20% perlite for excellent drainage and growth conditions. Repotting Crassula-portulaca. Repot when roots are well developed and begin to emerge from the pot. Place coarse sand or large perlite at the bottom of the new pot to ensure optimal drainage, then transfer the plant. Propagation methods for Crassula-portulaca. Leaf propagation. Detach a single leaf and place it vertically in a moisture-retentive substrate. Roots will develop, followed by a small plant. Once roots appear, place it in bright, indirect light. Stem cutting propagation. Cut a mature stem with at least 7 to 10 cm in length from above a node. Let the cutting dry in a shaded area for 2 to 3 days, then plant it in a growing medium. After about a month, transfer it to a location with adequate light. Common problems and diseases in crassula-portulaca. Powdery mildew on leaves and stems. This fungal disease appears as white powdery spots on leaves and stems. Avoid misting, as it helps prevent this condition. Mealybugs and scale insects. Mealybugs appear as small dark spots, causing plant weakness and yellowing. Treat with a systemic insecticide. Wrinkling and thinning of leaves, caused by underwatering or insufficient light, especially in the growing season. Ensure the plant has enough water and receives adequate light. If you're looking for a beautiful, hardy, and easy care plant, crassula-portulaca is an excellent choice. It's simple to care for, so even if you're new to plants, this one is a great start. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment with suggestions on other plants you'd like us to cover. Until next time, have a great day and enjoy your plants.